If you spend hours at a desk and by the end of the day, your neck, shoulder, upper back are killing you, it aches between your shoulder blades, your shoulder feels tight using the mouse or laptop, and you feel stuck going from the desk to the gym or bed, this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to walk you through a Big 5 reset you can do right at your desk to calm things down so you can work, lift, and sleep without your neck and shoulders screaming at you. I'm Dr. Joey Seaford, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance. We work 100% online with one-on-one rehabbing and coaching, helping active adults, especially over 40, fix stubborn neck and shoulder pain so they can keep lifting, working, and sleeping without living in clinics or guessing with random YouTube exercises. One of my clients described his worst days like this.
When I was at my worst, I would have to push my chair all the way up to the desk. And then I would have to lean into my chair or back into my chair.
That pressure and slumping wasn't fixing anything. Once we started working his Big 5 system, instead of just stretching where it hurt, this is what he said.
So the different types of motions definitely have improved dramatically. The tightness, most of that has gone away.
This routine is a simple way for you to start doing the same thing in 5 minutes. When you're sitting at a desk for hours, your neck creeps forward and loads your upper traps. Your upper back or T-spine gets stuck in flexion. Your shoulder blades slide out and down your ribs. Your shoulder joint sits forward in the socket, and your nerves get more and more irritated. That's your Big 5, your neck, upper back, shoulder blades, shoulder joint, and nervous system, all drifting into a bad position together. Then you try to go to the gym and press, row, or go overhead on top of that. No wonder it hurts. This reset hits neck control and motion, T-spine and lat freedom, scap and joint position, gentle rotation, and some light closed shin stability, all beside your desk. Use this pain traffic light while we go. Green feels good, mild stretch or relief, keep going. Yellow is a 2 to 3 out of 10, a bit uncomfortable but settles quickly. Red is a 6 out of 10 or higher, sharp, catching, or worse after, shorten the range or skip that move for the day. This should make you feel better at your desk and in the gym, not more flared up. For these exercises, I'm assuming you have a chair, a desk, and a wall or a door frame. First, we'll reset your neck, which has probably been poking forward the screen all day. You can do this sitting in your chair. Sit up tall with your feet flat. Gently nod your chin straight back like you're making a double chin. No jamming, just a small glide. From that tuck position, slowly look up towards the ceiling as far as comfortable. Come back to neutral and repeat. You're going to tuck and then extend. Go for about 10 slow reps. Move smoothly, no jerking. Then glide the chin back, then lengthen, not just tilting your head all over. This gets your neck moving through a comfortable arc instead of living in one hunch position all day. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Now we'll open your upper back, lats, and front of shoulder using your desk. Scoot your chair back a bit. Place your elbows on the desk, chair, or bench, hands together or holding a dowel. From there, let your chest drop between your arms. Stop before any sharp pain. You should feel a stretch across the front of the shoulders and into the lats. Do 10 slow reps, holding a few seconds in the stretch position each time. Think chest dropping between the arms, not shrugging your shoulders to your ears. This gives your shoulder and upper back room so pulling and pressing later doesn't start from a locked up position. Next, we'll get your scap and joint moving together, which helps both desk posture and overhead work later. Stand up and face a wall. Place your forearms or hands on the wall at about shoulder height. Gently press into the wall and slowly slide your arms upward, letting your chest move slightly towards the wall. Go only as high as you can without a sharp pinch or hard block, then slide back down. Do about 10 to 15 smooth reps. Let your shoulder blades slide and rotate up and down your ribs. Keep your ribs gently tucked, no big low back arch to fake the range. This cleans up the path for overhead, so when you pick up a barbell or weights later, your shoulder's not in a jammed position. Now let's get some rotation back in your upper back. Stand or get into a half kneel side against the wall. With your hip lightly touching it, place both hands slightly out in front of your chest. Slowly rotate your top arm and chest away from the wall like you're opening a book. Eyes follow your hands. Pause briefly at your comfortable end range, then return. Do about 8 to 10 reps each side. Take note if one side opens up more than the other. This could be contributing to why you're experiencing shoulder and neck pain. The motion should come from your ribs and upper back, not just cranking your low back. Stay in the green or light yellow. A gentle stretch is enough. This undoes a lot of that locked mid-back feeling from hunching forward. Lastly, we'll add a bit of closed chain stability that carries over to both desk life and the gym. If you can, do this on the floor. If not, use an elevated surface like the edge of your desk or a bench. Get into a plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. From there, lift one hand and tap the opposite shoulder, then place it back down. Alternate sides, keeping your body as steady as you can. Go for about 30 to 45 seconds, rest, then another 30 to 45 seconds if you can. Think, push the surface away with a planted hand. Keep your hips from wobbling all over. Small, controlled taps. This trains the muscles that stabilize your shoulder when you're typing, carrying, pressing, and pulling. I want to go back to that client I mentioned earlier. He went from leaning into his chair and desk just to get comfortable with constant neck tightness, saying the tightness in his neck was mostly gone. Being able to sit and work without constantly shifting, and having much smoother motion when he went to train after work. The point isn't perfect posture, it's a shoulder and neck system that can actually tolerate your day and your lifts. Your 5-minute Big 5 desk reset. Chin tuck and extension resets the neck position and motion. Bench opener to open up your upper back, lats, and front of shoulders. Wall slides to clean up scap and joint motion. Wall open books to free up rotational stiffness in your upper back, and shoulder taps to build closed chain shoulder stability. Do this once or twice a day on long desk days. Think midday and or before you leave work. Use it before evening workouts so you're not taking your desk posture straight into the gym. Use it on rest days to keep your Big 5 from stiffening up in between sessions. You're aiming for less neck and shoulder ache by the end of the day, easier transition from the desk to the gym, and less night pain from desk-driven tension. Neck and shoulder pain at the desk isn't just bad posture or just one tight muscle. Your neck, upper back, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, your Big 5, are all adapting to the positions you sit in all day. If you only stretch the sore spot and never address the system, you'll keep chasing the same pain and tightness. If you want to see exactly how your Big 5 are impacting your shoulder and neck, grab my free Big 5 shoulder fix training using the link in the description. It walks you through tests and exercises for each so you know where your real problem is. And if your pain doesn't just stop at the shoulder but shoots or aches down your arm, tingling, burning, numbness, your next video is this. It's linked on screen and in the description. That video will show you how to test if your nerves are involved and which 3 Big 5 drills calm them down. And if you're over 40, your desk job is wrecking your neck and shoulder, it's bleeding into your workouts and your sleep, and you want a plan to fix your shoulder pain, get back to workouts, and bulletproof them for the long term, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.